In the wise words of John F. Kennedy, he said, "Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country." And because our country is not going to demo this bathroom, we're going to. Follow me. So this is the bathroom in our basement, and it's between two bedrooms. It's a very small bathroom with a little half window. We're going to try to do our best to save all the tile as possible, but this is a slab foundation. So we might have to rip up some of the tile if some of the plumbing is bad, which it could be. But you can see this bathroom is dirty. Very dirty. Ooh. Don't want to use that. Ooh, and I forgot to mention, so behind this toilet in this wall, that's where our main sewer stack is situated. So there's a bathroom directly above this, so I might have to cut a little bit of the ceiling out. I'm probably going to cut part of the drywall out to make this re-plumbing a little easier. We are going to hire it out, but everything that is not in the slab is galvanized iron pipes, and we want to get that updated. You can see just how rusty these pins were and just how dirty this door is. I mean, the room's not well lit, but look how dirty it is. I think I'm going to tackle the sink first. This is what we're working with down here. Upstairs, the bathroom, the trap was like corroded like this and just was leaking. Okay, I'm running into some problems. So as you can imagine, this house is from 1960 and it's basically a lot of original plumbing. And then I could go over to this little boiler room. And then up here, and they can't see, but there's shutoffs for the bathroom. Climb up there for you. So there's this one right here, over here. Look at that. Look at the condition of this plumbing. So I'm kind of running into the problem where I can't shut the water off safely. Might cut away a little bit of the drywall because I got to do that anyway. And then kind of see what this connection is. Because I could put like a shark bite on there as like a temporary fix to shut the water off. But in the meantime, I think I'm gonna take off some like the towel rods and the smaller things that I know I can take off with a drill.
Shut us off. We're wearing masks because it stinks so bad.
So basically we're going to take away most of the drywall on this wall and on the ceiling because that's to the bathroom upstairs.
We open up the wall, but of course I don't have the right shut-off/cap, even though we bought 3 different types yesterday. So I'm making a Home Depot run mid-project to get the right type of cap. Basically we need a shark bite because now we found copper where we can just temporarily use a shark bite to cap it off while we are demoing. Got our caps, so we shark bite that so we could demo the rest of this, and then we're getting all new plumbing, so it doesn't really matter where we cut it.
Ready?
It's time to take off the disgusting toilet.
This is prehistoric.
I wish you could smell in here. Stinks. Yeah.
Woo.
How is that a real toilet? That is so disgusting. Can you open that window? Do you need help?
I don't think so.
Okay. It's nasty. Yeah, there's no wax ring. That's why it was smelly.
This is day 2 of bathroom demo, and I was told the main sewer stack was right here by a plumber. Does it look like it's there? Then I proceeded to cut holes to try to find it. I started by going right next to the closest spot, this wall. I went there. Not in this cavity. Here maybe? And there. Nothing. And then I went and said, oh, it's probably here. That's just insulation, not there. So for reference, outside of here, right, that little brown thing, that's our septic tank. So I was thinking it's gonna be closer to that side. That's why we originally thought it was gonna be over here. And the plumber was pretty sure. But then when we exposed the ceiling, this is the bathroom up there, upstairs. It comes down here and then it goes towards the shower. And then this is where I kind of suspected it could be, in this bedroom. Let me get to the far corner. So in the bedroom, the bathroom shower is right there. There's a bump out there. And that is pretty sure where it's gonna be.
Come to the time to cut into this because our main sewer stack is probably in this. Let's do it. Found it. It's in there. You can take my word for it. So I wanted to try to save this tile and the shower tile, but I really don't think I'm going to be able to. Also, the shower wall tile is in worse condition than I thought. There's a lot of cracks and it's honestly probably moldy behind it because they didn't really waterproof back then. So sad about that, but excited to make something beautiful. So we got crackage there, doesn't really drain. And then just disgusting mold that I don't know if I'll be able to get off. Got cracks there, mold on the ceiling, and then also the problem is this pipe that has to be replaced goes through here and down this wall. So I don't think we'll be able to save this.
So I've only been working about 10 minutes and this came down a lot faster than expected. And I almost dropped a piece on my leg because it was falling in such big chunks. But I gotta clean this out so I can keep working. The top, luckily, is just drywall and then they mortar the tiles to it. Because there's like a little ridge. It's probably what was original and what was added maybe at some time. But this bottom section, look how thick this is. Very thick and very heavy. Okay, I'm taking a breather. Basically, I have the floor covered in debris. So that's kind of why I had to stop. So I need to get some more bags. The shower's a little dark, but as you can see up there, I didn't realize that went all the way across our house, but that is a steel I-beam. And there's still another layer of wall to the sewer line. I feel like I can only put like a couple square feet of this because this is just basically concrete and it just weighs so much. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. So that's that. I didn't break any of the shower plumbing.